folks, I've got the snowblower here. I bought this when I was in Indiana and used it, I don't know, 4 or 5 times a year. And moved to Memphis, and I don't think I ever used it there. And now I live in North Alabama, and they're calling for snow tomorrow, 3 to 6 inches. So I figured I'd get this out, and you can see by the cobwebs and stuff. It hasn't been used for a while. I pulled the starter a couple times. What starts, so I'm guessing the gas is old, and I'm going to have to do a little bit of work to get this running. Now, before I go ahead and take the carburetor off and drain it and clean it and put it back on and drain the gas and all of those sort of stuff that I might have to do, I'm going to try some Seafoam here. I usually put this in my tanks if something's going to be sitting for a while, and I swear by this stuff. I'll probably put some in there. I've had situations where the gas just wouldn't start. It was old, stale. I've put this stuff in it and seemed to get them running. So I'm going to try this before I have to mess with draining tanks and cleaning carburetors. So we'll try this. I also got some starting fluid there, and we'll put some of this in the tank and hit it with some ether and see if we can get it running. All right, so I'm going to work from the easiest fix first, which is going to be adding a cap full of this stuff to the gas, the old gas. Doesn't take much. This doesn't work, I'll try the ether. If that doesn't work, I'll drain the gas, put fresh gas in, and try the ether. If that doesn't work, I'll have to take the carburetor off and clean it. Well, the easy way worked. I'm telling you, I love this stuff.